Yeah, that's gonna check out. Yeah, these trusses are looking pretty good here. Let me just, Yep, a lot of rocks here. Just really crank that there, Fred. So yeah, just planted this one. Yep, go ahead and take that. Hey, yeah, so Freddy, what's next on the agenda? Huh. Pretty interesting. Oh. Hey, hey Freddy, where you where are you off to there? Just hold on. Wait a second, how am I gonna get over this thing? I don't really... Freddy, hold on! Wait up, buddy! Just gonna... Oh, shit, that was a... that was a close one. What is this? Yep, this is a cinder block.